Hi, I am Dr. Revath Lakshman. I am a consultant orthopedic, joint replacement and sports injury surgeon at Apollo Spectra, Koramangala, Bangalore. Entire arthritis gamut. First you have to understand what is arthritis. Arthritis is nothing but degeneration of the knee joint. What is degeneration? That is the wearing off of the cartilage of the knee joint. So this is the knee joint cartilage which is shiny and smooth. If this degenerates and this becomes rough over a period of time, it is called as arthritis. Now there are various forms of arthritis. One is the degenerative or the arthritis due to age. So that is not a disease. That is basically your aging process. As in Indians, we have got a very different lifestyle compared to what Europeans have. The Western toilets have come in India roughly 15 to 20 years back. Before that, most of us, we used to have Indian toilets at home. And we used to prefer sitting on the floor for doing most of our works like eating, even if we have to take a rest, we'll sit on the floor or we'll lie down on the floor and take rest. Relaxing was sitting on the floor and taking rest. Most of the household chores were performed by sitting on the floor. The kitchen work was done sitting on the floor. There are a lot of stairs, climbing stairs up and down, for household works and in general. So those kinds of lifestyle have taken a toll on our older generation who were exposed to the better practices like Western commodes and various knee-friendly terraces, knee-friendly stairs only in the last 10 to 15 years. So in those cases, what happens is they develop degenerative arthritis when they reach 57, 58 or 60 in case of ladies and little later in case of gentlemen. So there are various grades of arthritis from grade 1 to grade 4. Grade 1 to 3 can be managed without surgery with some medications and some exercises, lifestyle modifications, okay? In which case the joint space is still maintained. What do you mean by joint space? If this meniscus is still intact, if we can see X-ray, a gap in the X-ray between both the bones, then probably it is an indication of non-surgical management. But if the gap on one side has considerably decreased and if there is a instability in the knee, in which case various surgeries are indicated. Like in early arthritis, we can still preserve the joint by doing surgeries like high tibial osteotomy, whereas in advanced joint diseases, wherein most of the joint is involved, there is deformity like bow legs or knock knees or the bent legs, probably it's an indication for surgery.